Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change the background of a video in the CapCut apps. First, just add the clip that you want to change its background. Then remove the background first. To change the background completely, click on the clip and go to cutout. Choose to remove the background. Okay. Now it's processing. You just need to wait until the removing background process finish. So after the background is completely removed, you just to change the background, go back and then find the canvas option, this one, and here click on the background. Then you'll see a bunch of background choices provided by CapCut. In here you can just choose which one to use on your videos, like this for example. Okay, when you're done, just click on a check icon and that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on like, leave a comment and click on thanks. Bye.